Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 DePIN coins under 500 million market cap. We're going to start with IOTX at number 1, followed by ANKR, Holo, Nosana, Siacoin, OriginTrail, Chia, FLUX, iExec, RLC, and then we're ending with POKT Network at number 10. Let's get straight into it. IOTX against BTC. We like what we are seeing. The only thing is, this is a long-term potential. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. Long-term potential. And IOTX against BTC, we actually broke above the skinny pink line. But now we're breaking back down. So previously, when we were doing IOTX, we probably hit here. And I was like, we're probably going to drop lower. So that's why I had these 3 arrows marked, anticipating these classes of cells to be taken out. How much lower could we be going? My guess is around 30. We're at 75 right now. So this could be another 50% decimation. Again, we're not entirely sure whether this is going to hold up. There is that possibility that IOTX hits even lower, taking out the lows over here. IOTX against USDT. IOTX. Okay, IOTX, we actually have a target over here at 10 cents, right? This is a falling channel, and we're anticipating this falling channel to break higher towards 10 cents. We are clearly still above the skinny pink line. The bullish trend is still on. This was an inverse head and shoulders breakout. Very small right shoulder, breakout, retest, out, consolidate, out again, consolidate, out again. Bigger consolidation. We're expecting another move higher, right? I can also count the waves here. 1, 2, 3 waves down. This could actually be a double bottom, and then we could be heading higher. Again, not entirely sure. At the same time, we could also get head and shoulders over here, heading lower. So it all depends upon BTC. BTC, as long as it's still above the skinny pink line in a bullish trend, then IOTX more likely than not should be hitting its target of 10 cents. ANKR Network, ANKR against BTC. Here we are for ANKR. ANKR is still under the skinny pink line, but we are aware that for ANKR, there is a resistance line over here. And we're anticipating the break of the resistance line eventually. We are still under the skinny pink line, which means that we are still in a bearish trend. Could we continue heading lower? Of course. Any signs of a reversal yet? No, not really. But if you look at ANKR against USDT, you will see that ANKR has a target. We got a target fresh out of the oven here. At 11 cents, we are at 4.6 cents. So this could be another 137% more towards the upside. I suspect we're still gonna go a little bit higher. Clearing all the clusters of buys over here. You see this? All these wicks sticking out, all these tops sticking out. Yeah, I think we're gonna clear it. Right. Yeah, more upside to be expected for ANKR. I don't think we're done yet. Moreover, if you were to look very carefully, right, ANKR actually completed an ABCDE. Right. It's not as obvious, but this is an A, B, C, D, E. Out. You see that, boys and girls? Do you see that? Yeah, and we're above the skinny pink line. So as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we anticipate ANKR to continue higher. Holo, hot against BTC. Here we are for hot. On CoinX, hot is under the skinny pink line, which is not good. We are still in a bearish trend, which means that way back in 2021, if you had switched all your Holo into Bitcoin, you would have done so much better compared to being in Holo. Anything for hot at the moment? We're above the skinny pink line, but there was a wick down. And you touched it. Does this count? Sure, we could be heading higher for Holo. Sure, of course. You can consider this as a break, right, towards the upside. And Holo has a very slanted type of a... I wouldn't call this an inverse head and shoulders, though. It's a bit off for me. So, yeah, sure. If you could rally here, consolidate a bit longer, then yes, potentially we could be heading much higher. How much higher? 1 cent? Somewhere above 1 cent. We're at 0.24 cent. This could be another 300% towards the upside. But for hot, I don't see the bullish chart pattern, right? And hot against BTC is still down. So it's not particularly bullish at the moment. Nosana, NOS against BTC. Okay, we don't have it. NOS against USDT. Let's look at it in gate. So for Nosana is already up 78,000, more than 78,000. This is insane, right? More than 78,000%. So yeah, again, where is our entry if we were to go towards the upside, right? You know, it's already up. I suspect this is highly manipulated. Look at the volume over here, right? The whales were already accumulating all the way here, right? Big whales were accumulating. And what happened after that? Yeah, they pushed the price so much higher. Right now we're at $10, right? They bought in at about 1 cent to $10. 1 cent to 10 cents to $10. You know how crazy that is? It's 100x. If you have a, let's say you put in, let's say the whales, right? Put in 100, okay, we don't put 100. Okay, wait, let me just check. If let's say we go to $10, right? Or we hit 100,000%. This is actually 1,000%. So $100 gets you $100,000. If $1,000, it gets you a million. 10,000 gets you 10 million. You just need to put 10,000 over here. 10,000 gets you 10 million at the top. And if you sell at the top, that's it. How would you know if the whales are selling? Again, you will see the volume selling over here. You will see a spike in volume. Very likely it will look like this. They will probably want to sell big chunks of it. Right. And you see a spike in volume. And you know that that is the top. Very likely that's the top. So everything is manipulated. Welcome to the world of trading. Not just on crypto as well. On precious metals, on equities, real estate, everything. Right. The oil especially, you know, there's a cartel controlling the price of oil. Yeah. So that's just how it is. This is just how the world works. Siacoin, SC against BTC. Here we are, SC BTC. Okay, we look at it on Kraken. Okay, so Siacoin is very disappointing. There was a very nice rally that came for Siacoin, but we failed to stay above it, right? And now we're back under the skinny pin line. Unfortunately. So it's just very off. We're expecting things like this. Consolidate and up in an uptrend. But just as soon as we hit the high over here, pam, we collapse all the way back down. That's very disappointing. But just to keep things in perspective, looking at the USD pair, Siacoin has a huge ABCDE in the making. Very huge. And if Siacoin maintains its bullish trend above the skinny pin line, right? If we just rally back up, oh boy, this will be awesome, right? Potentially, right? No guarantees. And then we could see a very big break for Siacoin. I'm not so sure what the reason could be behind that super spike for Siacoin, but yeah, there is that potential for Siacoin, right? There could be something happening behind the scenes, but we still need to see this happen first. If Siacoin comes back down, then yeah, I guess that's just too bad. We're gonna spend some time under the skinny pin line. I still think that there will be a rally though eventually, even if we were to break it, right? I think there will be a rally, or either we could be rallying from here. But as of now, in the short term, right? In the short term, Siacoin doesn't look good. Why? Because this is a mountain range. If you look over here, it's also mountain range. Mountain, collapse. Mountain. Right. So once we cross the skinny pin line, that's it. Sometimes you might get mountain, and then we go higher. Surprise. But as of now, yeah, we're still not entirely sure. We want to see some confirmation first before deciding on Siacoin. OriginTrail, TRAC against BTC. Here we are for TRAC. TRAC on KuCoin is touching the skinny pin line, which is not good. Previously, TRAC, when it was like that, we were like, oh my god, bros, this is kind of bearish, right? You can see mountains. We could be collapsing, right? So we were anticipating TRAC to drop lower. However, it did not drop any lower. It just started rising back up. So here we are. We've taken out these highs, and we will consider this target to be invalidated. That's it. And yeah, TRAC is just turning into something else. TRAC against USDT. Here we are for TRAC on KuCoin. Let's look at it on Gate. See, the thing about TRAC is it's already done so much. Let's say we take this very low. We are up 18,000%. Right, there is a correction right now, and we're already under the skinny pin line, which is not what we want to see. But yeah, it is what it is, man. It's just not. Hey, wait, hang on. This is $2. It's a different TRAC. Okay, let's just go to KuCoin. Okay, so KuCoin is still above the skinny pin line. Just like the previous TRAC, we're also in a falling channel. So we're anticipating a continuation to come on for TRAC, but we still need to see a strong rally coming on for TRAC towards the upside, right? Because if we don't go close to the highs, if we just, have a very small rally, right, we could still get bearish chart patterns, and this could be the end for TRAC's bullish trend towards the upside. So as of now, yeah, there's just nothing much for TRAC. Chia, XCH. XCH is where? Let's look at CoinX. So XCH is down. We're under the skinny incline. No signs of life. Still in a bearish trend. XCH against USDT. Let's look at it on Gate. So for XCH, yeah, no, there was actually an opportunity over here, right? If you look very closely, something like an inverse head and shoulders. Some succeed, some fail, right? And we're already under here. So that's it. We consider this as invalidated, and potentially we could be going on a very long accumulation adventure first before the reversal comes in for Chia. FLUX against BTC. Hey, here we are for FLUX. Again, disappointing. Above the skinny pink line, slice back down. So you, bro. Even this was also pretty good. You see, right? Let's say if you were to go back, way back in time, right, and if you saw this happening, you'd be like, oh, bros, this could be an ABCDE, right? This could be a nice break. Yeah. But yeah, nope. It didn't happen the way we expected it to. And now we're down. So now we're here. Any clear signs of a reversal? Yeah, no, not for the moment. Against USD, here we are for FLUX. Okay, we're above the skinny pink line, which is good. And of course, we could still continue higher, probably clearing the highs over here. All right. A strong rally would be great. But as it stands, yeah, no, nothing much for us for FLUX. iExec RLC against BTC. Here we are for RLC. Okay, one thing about iExec RLC that we like is that it's in a huge accumulation. It's been going sideways since the very beginning of time until now. Every time it drops towards the support area, it gets pushed back up. Support, push back up, support, push back, support. What do you think is going to happen next? What do you think is going to happen next? That's RLC BTC. RLC USDT on Binance. Okay, we're also above the skinny pink line. And here we are, a fresh target out of the oven at $6. Right now we're at $3.32. This will be less than 100, 70%, right? Or 75%. We're probably going to clear these highs though, I suspect. So yeah, and if you look at RLC, right, if you notice very closely, A, B, C, D, E, out, right? We broke out, retest. Now there's a rally coming on. Oh, this is good. So more upside to be expected for RLC. I don't think we're done yet. I think there's still more upside, and potentially we can even go up to $15 though. So yeah, the all-time high is at $16. Right now we're at $3. Huge potential. Of course, the best thing that could happen is we have a proper consolidation over here, and then we see a breakout. Hit $6, consolidate again, continue higher to double digits. Oh, best case scenario. Of course, there are also clusters of buys around here and here. So potentially, yeah, $13. Potentially, but of course, we'll take things one step at a time. So RLC, we're still bullish and we're still expecting more upside. POKT Network, POKT against BTC. Let's look at it on CoinX. Oh, this is bad. We've already crossed back under the skinny pink line. If you were to do this right, you'll see this is an A, up for a B, could be coming down all the way for a C. Right. Yeah, we're not too sure. Again, very noisy area over here. So we could be heading down here for POKT. Against USD, here we are for POKT. POKT is, very close to the skinny pink line. Not crossing it yet. And POKT has huge potentials, right? To the top is $3. Right now we're only at 13 cents, yo. 13 cents. So let's say, for example, if we stop around this noisy area, right? This could be a, yeah, going close to $1. This could be a 500%, almost a 600% move, potentially for POKT. But we still need to see the reversal come in, right? And this could set up POKT for a very nice inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Bam! We break out. This would be awesome. But as it stands, yeah, no, we don't really see it yet. We need to see that strong buying pressure first. So there you go. That's our take for today's DePIN coins under 500 million market cap. And if you have yet to check out, we did real world assets yesterday. So there you go. Hope you guys have a great day. See you in the next one. Ta-da!